What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on how I got this set. So if you want to see how I accomplished this look, just stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So here we have my favorite acrylic. I'm going to be using that one, but you can use the acrylic that they give you in the packaging right here. You also have some nail glue. You also have a nail brush, nail tips in natural and white. I didn't use those because I'm using clear nails this time, but those do work. You have a cuticle pusher, and then we also have a two-sided emery board to use. So here I am just applying the acrylic to the nail. Y'all, you want to make sure that you get it as close to the shape that you already want it to be while you're putting the acrylic on there, so you don't have to spend so much time drilling and filing later on when the acrylic is already set, because that is such a nightmare. Like, trust me. So just put the acrylic on there to the best of your abilities, and then we're going to drill and file. I've been doing my nails for about a year, so it's taken me a really long time to even get this good of a shape out of my nails, like pre-drilling. Like, y'all don't even want to see what it used to look like before, but this is actually my first time doing this well. And then I'm just shaping more with the emery board. Make sure you get it right on your finger so you can get that perfect straight line, okay? Here I am just placing all the colors that I'm going to use. This is all gel polish. And these are the two brushes that I'm going to be using. Trash, trash, trash brand. 0 out of 10 would not recommend, y'all. The stuff never cures. The only thing that worked was the top coat, which is what I'm using right now. And then you're just going to dip your brush into your paint and do random brush strokes, y'all. That is it, I promise. All you do is dip it into the paint, create random brush strokes all over your nail, and that is it. Period. And make sure after you do every color, you cure it, because you don't want your gel nail polish mixing in with the others. And we want it to look all over the place, but it needs to be an organized mess. Okay? So, just go ahead and dip it in all the colors and then cure after every single one. And y'all, like I said, there's no rhyme or reason to this. Just put random brush strokes all over your nail to your heart's desire, okay? Everywhere. It does not matter. And even if you put a little bit too much on there, look, all you gotta do is swipe it off, and then boom. There you go. It's simple as that. Y'all, I just wanted to come back to say, do not get discouraged when you're doing your nails and they're not turning out the way that you want them to. Like I said, I've been doing my nails for a little bit over a year at this point. So it's taking me this long to get a set that looks like this. Like, it takes time, y'all. A lot of time, a lot of patience, and a lot of money, because you are going to be wasting your money on nails and monomer and acrylic, because it takes so long to get this down packed. And I'm still not even down packed. But I just want y'all to know that it is okay when you mess up your own nails. I can't tell you how many times I've actually gone out and messed up a set and people have still complimented them. So keep doing your nails, okay? Keep doing your nails. I didn't even end up liking that glitter that I put on there. But anyway, this is how my set turned out. This is from the smaller brush right here. And this is my favorite hand from the larger brush. I really love this, how it turned out on this hand, better than the other one. But yeah, y'all, I hope that this helps somebody. Hopefully. I'll try to upload more reviews, and y'all let me know what y'all think. Happy nail doing, and y'all stay safe.